program is brought to you by Emory University.
Hi, this is John Willingham with your Emory Learning Technologies team. The Canvas Learning Management System has a built-in tool for tracking attendance. This tool can also be used for tracking class participation, and it also features a seating chart. To access the tool, click Attendance from your course menu. Your students won't see that menu option. Only instructors see that, so you don't have to hide that from them. When you first click it, it takes you to a list view that shows you all of your students, and you can mark their attendance there. You can mark everybody present by clicking this button here. So maybe if everybody was there but one person was late, you could check that box or click that button, and then the person that was late, you can click it and mark them late. So the first time you click a button that has not been marked, it turns into this green circle with a check mark, and that means they're counted as present. Click it again, it turns red with an X, it means they were absent, and click it a third time and it shows you this sort of clock face in the orange circle, and that means that they were tardy. And in the settings for the tool, you decide the percentage of credit that a student would get for a day in which they arrived late. So you can also use the seating chart either to track attendance or to just learn your students' names and to keep track of everybody. So to set up a seating chart, let's go. I'm going to go a couple of days into the future and set up a seating chart for your class. And once that's done, you can switch to the Take Attendance tab, and you take attendance in the seating chart in the same way that you do in List View, which is that you can mark everybody present if you want to, or you can do them individually. First time you check it, turns green. Click it twice, it turns red, means they were not there. You could mark somebody tardy. Alright, so when you set up a seating chart and then you move into days in the future, the seating chart will copy to the next day and you can mark the attendance. And for any day that you want to change that seating chart or change the attendance, you can do that. So as I mentioned, this tool also has some features that allows you to record class participation, and you do that clicking on a student's name, and then you can see that we have these terms down here. I created these previously using this add badge link right here. You click that and you create the badge, choose colors for it, save that, and then for this student, for this day, for Wednesday, January 20th, if I wanted to mark them with any of these badges, I just go to that day, I select it, and so that records this badge of good participation for that day for that student. And then I click that off. So you can switch this to List View, and when you click More from List View, it gives you that same view. And I just click down. You can see that I marked that student. We'll see the marks that I just made for this student. Well, that's turning red, not because of anything bad, but because when we created the badge, we selected red as the color. You could change that. Click Manage Badge, click it, change the color to green. If you wanted all of your good badges to be green, you could do that. You can see that as you click that record, changes the attendance record for that day. So that's a brief introduction to the attendance tool. If you have any questions, please contact the Learning Technologies team at classes@emory.edu. Thank you.
preceding program is copyrighted by Emory University.